Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Dscout with Userlytics and user testing. So we have a lot to do in this video comparing these three, so let's get right into it. Starting with Userlytics. Userlytics is I meant starting with user testing. User testing is pretty straightforward. It applies, take a sample test, and get matched with tasks. It has a polished web platform as you can see with easy navigation and test previews. If you talk about SEO and growth, it has the most consistent flow, especially for US, UK and Canada testers. It pays at around $10 per 20-minute testing and sometimes even more than that. So if we compare it with Userlytics, it is a beginner-friendly tool, but you might wait longer between invites. Talk about customizations. It is more basic, but it still get the job done, especially for quick usability and tasks. It sends fewer invites, but global testing gets a fair shot. If you talk about pricing and monetization, it pays at around it doesn't pay that good, but it ranges from $5 to $90 depending on the test length and complexity. Now, if we talk about Dscout at the end of the video, the very last thing we have to discuss, it is a bit different. You apply for missions, often through screener questions. It takes effort, but the app is smooth and mobile focused. It has a clean app-based experience. Missions feel like mini video blogs, super user friendly. And if you talk about the growth and SEO segment, so Dscout can be a hit or miss, but high-paying missions are common. It pays per mission and entries can earn up to $20 to $100+ especially for diary studies. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing between Dscout, Userlytics, and user testing. Thank you so much for watching.